Welcome to the online lecture series of heat and mass transfer. Subscribe the channel for video sessions. Here is Professor Lakshman Mani. This is a video session on physical mechanism of convection. In this session, you will be able to explain convection heat transfer, physical mechanism, types of convection, and Newton's law of cooling. Do you know what is heat transfer by convection? Let us understand with some examples. As liquid is heated, it rises up and down due to convective currents. A small piece of paper, when is burned, air surround to it is getting heated and it begins to rise up. Along with this air convective current, the piece of paper goes up. When it cools, it gets down. So it happens because of convective currents are taking place. As bean is heated in a liquid, it goes up and down. It happens due to convective currents are formed in the liquid when is heated. The sun hits the ground by radiation. The ground hits the air by conduction. When the air is heated, the warm air rises by the convection. So, sum up of the concept: heat transfer between surface and fluid occurs through density differences, and flow of heat energy is taking place due to movement of fluid molecules. Movement of fluid is caused due to differences in temperature and density. So, convection is combination of conduction, fluid flow, and mixing. Types of convection. There are mainly two types: natural convection and forced convection. Natural convection. Molecules of fluid are not moved by any external forces and buoyancy forces. For example, here it is shown. Here cool air comes down and warm air goes upward. This happens because of convection process. Forced convection. In this case, molecules of fluid are forced to move over the surface with the help of some external force, that is rotating fan. It is forcing air over the hot surface. Convection heat transfer is given by Newton's law of cooling. Mathematically, it is written as Q is equal to H into A into Ts minus T infinity. Heat transfer is given in watt. So in this diagram, here this is a hot surface, this is a fluid flow passing over the surface. So here heat transfer across the hot surface is taking place, that is Q. Fluid surface, here H is a convective heat transfer coefficient, that is given in watt per meter square Kelvin. A is a area, that is heat transfer area in meter square. Ts is a temperature of surface in Kelvin, and T infinity is a temperature of surrounding fluid in Kelvin. So at the end of this session, you can explain convection heat transfer, physical mechanism, types of convection, and Newton's law of cooling. Subscribe the channel for the video sessions. Thermal engineering. Thank you.